I'm standing on the spot where Ulysses S. Grant came to Pilot Knob as a colonel and he left as brigadier general. This is the original Iron County Courthouse built in 1858. On September 26, 1864, Price's army of 12,000 entered into the Arcadia Valley from the west, from Fredericktown. The Confederates engaged the Union Army at the Shut-In Gap. During their retreat through Ironton, the Iron County Courthouse was refuge to the Union Army. The courthouse was fired upon from the Confederates, and these scars can still be seen today. If you look above the upper windows on the courthouse, you can see the damage from one of those cannonballs. Probably what you're seeing here is musket ball damage. Fort Davidson was built in 1863 in the plain between Pilot Knob Mountain and Shepherd Mountains to protect the railroad depot and the town of Pilot Knob. This is the crater left behind by the explosion of the powder magazine after the Union Army evacuated the fort. Civil War history is not just a story of the nation, it's a story about individuals. This is the South Rifle Pit, where after the battle, the dead were brought here and buried in the mass grave.
Located on the site of the Civil War's Battle of Pilot Knob, Fort Davidson Hotel is conveniently located 4 miles from Elephant Rock State Park and surrounded by over 25 other parks in the beautiful Arcadia Valley. With outstanding accommodations, a restaurant, and all the amenities, Fort Davidson Hotel is the pleasant surprise you'll want to return to for all your Arcadia Valley visits. The helpful, dedicated staff goes out of their way to make you feel welcome. When your adventures of the day are done, enjoy your stay at the Fort Davidson Hotel. Give us a call at 573-546-7427.